Hello students, today let us see the nation beckons you. The nation beckons you. What is the meaning of beckon? The nation needs you. The nation needs you. The nation. Now in this lesson the nation beckons you. Let us see that this is the main three key values about patriotism, the national service, then challenges. The nation beckons you. Students, now you are all studying. You are all studying. When we study, what are you thinking in our mind? Mostly, I want to study good. I want to earn more. To earn more, what I will go? Where I will go? I will go to abroad. I will go to USA. I will go to London. Many imagination coming in your mind when you think about. To money means you are all mostly going to want to go to abroad only. Just in abroad you can earn more and more money and you can settle there only. And you can settle there and you can become settle in that country and you will feel difficult to return to India. Not everybody, but few of us have this mentality. Here the nation beckons you. It tells that India is a republic country and independent country. In India we have the rules and regulations. The people are here, everybody happy and everybody cooperating to the government. So here government is it's a welfare government. It looks for the citizens, everything whatever it can do for the citizens. The government and people are here very excellent when comparing to other nations. Now in this lesson the nation beckons you. Let us see what are the opportunities we can get. What are the opportunities are here. In all around us there are what are the opportunities. Let us see. See that when we study we are getting many opportunities. Look at the army. They are at any time if there is any danger they are rushing there. Even in the border, to protect the border from various countries and opponents, they are there in the border, bearing the coldness and hot everything. But they are protecting the nation from every enemy. And as well as when it's in the internal also, when there is flood in the country, when there is landslide, or anything, whatever the difficulties, whatever the dangers inside the country also, they are coming and helping. We know all the cases. What is the army doing? Why they are doing? They have the dedication. They want to contribute to the nation. They love the nation. They love the nation India. Next, let us see one more about the doctor. We can see in this situation who are protecting mostly. We can see we are mostly depending on doctors and nurses and the hospital workers. We can see that they are treating day and night tirelessly, taking all the effort with dedication they are doing the work. Because of that only India also now stands good. We need the doctors for the welfare of the citizen. When we study doctors, afterwards we should not go for abroad. We have to work for India. India needs good doctors. Then we can see like this many fields there. Like we can see the mining, then inside the land taking out all the minerals like gold and petroleum products and all the charcoal, everything they bring out. No, this is the mining process. In mining process, when you bring out, the nation gets the wealthness. When you bring the gold, the nation becomes rich. The nation will becomes prosperous. When you become petroleum products from the land, then the nation becomes rich. Like that, each one, many things there. There is many works there in India. Many works there. You can become a IT. In IT, you can do the service, or you can become an in government part of government servant, and you can do the service. Many professions there. You can many professions there in India. There are variety of profession in India there. It asks you for service of for Indians only. Here, let us see a person here. His name is Sanjay. He was from Lucknow. He managed to study in India, but for his higher studies, what he is doing? He is going to America. In America, he is studying nicely and get the excellent marks, and he gets a job after everything studies. What he is doing? All his friends are working in America only, but his mind, what is telling? His mind telling that I am an Indian and I must do service to my nation India. He thinks that and comes back to the India, and he was working in Lucknow. In Lucknow, he is working in government hospital, where he was working 1 year. Then his father and the family members trying to persuade him that don't work here, go to abroad and earn more and more money. If you earn more and more money, you can settle there, you can become the USA citizen. Then the family members, everybody can come and settle there. Like that, their parents thinking. But the Sanjay, the good doctor, he feels from the heart. I was raised from this land. This land is mine. The people needs me like good needs me like that is thinking. So is trying to telling the parents that I want to work here only, like they telling, but parents not accepting. As he was working there was epidemic, like how the situation now, a very difficult situation now. We cannot go freely anywhere. The situation like this, no? The epidemic started in nearby village. Hearing that epidemic, he wants to go there. He wants to go and do the service. So he immediately left the place and going to the village, and he camped there and started to do the work day and night tirelessly, and even forgot to take the meals also like that. He is working that much. He is very dedicated to save the nation and the people, the village people. He want to save it. He was doing much more, do the hard work there, and he managed to do thousands of lives there. Thousands of lives he saved, many of them. By working this, what happened means his health becoming ill, his health becoming very severe, and he cannot have the good health. So he was like he became a patient at last. He became a patient. So what he is doing at last? He was lying down. So hearing his condition is unhealthy, the parents coming there and they crying. We told you again and again. Why are you not understanding? They are asking. But the son Sanjay is telling, Father, you cannot understand me. but I have the satisfaction. I have the satisfaction that I worked for my India. I have saved this village people. Like that he is telling. I have the satisfaction at last, he is telling. See his satisfaction, how dedication he is towards the India. Like this only. Then at last what happened? When he died, the whole village people, everybody gathered for him. Everybody gathered there and everybody crying for him. All are crying. See the situation. How much the village people loved him. This is when we work for India, the nation will remember for as long as many a year it can remember us. It's not, you can be a sports person also. Sports is a very good at this situation. Sports is, when sports telling come to our mind, many a person, Sachin Tendulkar, Dhoni, Virat Kohli, many a person appearing in our mind. See now how talented they are. In world, Indian cricket is the best, everybody telling. Why? Because our cricketers and our players are everybody best. They are doing, and because of that, in all over more than 200 countries, India is knowing everywhere that India is the best in many fields, like that. Everybody hearing, and we are getting proud because of them. We can become a sports person. If we become sports person, what happens? Our mind is very nice. Our mind thinks nicely. We do not get the stress and any unhealthy problem. Our whole body will be full of healthy. A healthy person is the pride of the nation today. Healthy person. We can become a sports person anywhere. Many feels that. Don't think that farmers are low. Farmers are indeed, they are the ones feeds the whole nation. Farmer feeds the whole nation. Because of them only we are eating. That also a kind of profession. Farming also. Farming also a kind of profession. It feeds the whole nation. Many a profession there. I want my students that you also, when you study it, just study nicely and have in your heart, think from the heart and act. Think from the heart, then act. Everybody in India is your brothers and sisters. We have to help everybody here. We are not, when we think that Jawans know what Jawans doing, they are not helping only for the particular person. They are not helping only the one state only. They are not protecting for the only one side of the nation. They are caring for everybody in India. India means it includes that Indians are known for the unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. And they are helping for everybody irrespective of religion, caste, language, creed, anything. They are not seeing that one. First and foremost, we are all Indians. We are Indians, we must treat everybody equally. Hello students, I hope that the nation beckons you. This lesson you can understand. Here in this lesson, the three key values: patriotism, national service, challenges. In India, many challenges there. To overcome that, the India needs you, because you only can save the nation India. You are the future leaders. Okay students, till this, see that and study, and in your book, exercise given, already I have given the answers, check it and study, the fill in the blanks, then the true or false, everything, inside the book also, everything study, then answers may come from the questions will come from inside the lesson also. just 2-3 times you can study. You have the time, you can study, and you are capable for that. Thank you, student. We will see you tomorrow.